Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open Toyota Prius dashboard. Start by removing the lower kick panel using a trim tool and gentle pulls to release clips. Next, remove visible screws with a Phillips screwdriver while supporting panels with your free hand. Keep fasteners and clips organized so reassembly is straightforward. If any clips feel stiff, spray a little silicone on a cloth and ease them apart for a safer removal. Use a methodical approach when removing panels to avoid surprises later. Begin at one edge and work evenly across the seam, applying steady pressure with the trim tool. When screws are exposed, slow turn them counterclockwise and place them in a labeled container. For electrical connectors, depress the plastic tab and pull straight out without twisting. Keep a flashlight handy to spot hidden fasteners and fragile plastic hooks. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more tips. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling great after a messy dashboard job. Its bold scent hides grease and shop odors with ease. You'll find the link and other deals in the description below, and it really makes the cabin nicer during reassembly. Now let's get back to the video. Expect a few stubborn clips, but resist using brute force if something won't budge. Inspect the seam for missed screws or hidden tabs, and use the trim tool to ease panels apart incrementally. Mark removed screws by panel location to simplify reassembly and minimize time spent guessing. If a clip does break, replace it to restore proper fit and reduce rattles or dashboard movement while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.